Come on, guys, now, basically, early morning, when I'm filming this, and, to keep, by the time you guys see this, as you can tell, it is in that bloody, is, foul. Morning thì đâu so, foul, thì so, biết so, what, my on. So, it's only now 3 to, 6 now, feel this is serious, so, yes, and also hope you guys, hope everyone is enjoying the, middle of the, book dystopia. But it is back to classic free, which is good, so yeah, so, we have found this people about to join my first, discover this is, yeah, so people talk to, you guys, when I'm, in, town or, yeah, or, Leonte at the school, so, wait on. Wait guys, so, it is, Western Leon is now showing now, probably about 5 to 4 now, always, as you can tell, just going to, maybe drive from, what is it again, Baby, yeah, and it's usually cloudy afternoon, though, nonetheless, we believe it is, moment in the past, few days, or at least, since yesterday, and, yeah, so, she's way on, but yeah, so, yeah, so we're going to, keep driving loop around, so if you can, but yeah, but yes, but then she's obviously going down to Bukit Drive for so yeah, so here I am on Bukit Drive now, yeah, I just pretty much do loop and pretty much heading over toward what is it again, Westport Drive to Pearl Park that area, then I'll be heading out over to west end of Ice Pond, for there then I think I'll probably speed over to the drive picket table is for there, so why on. So we'll go now over to the picnic table, so yeah, so why on. Well, I was just going my speed over to so drive, which is definitely so with the lobby though, so why on. So on that that's all, yeah, so on that usually the and college, well, yep, as you learned if you did some activities and yeah, and also pretty complicated, which is good, so why on. So yeah, so I've actually had a little job here, don't like our and little after like our too, so yeah, that was pretty cool, but yeah, so why on. And yeah, and on that that's all. And then this morning, well, we did went over to came out there Old Park area, was into do a few things, work late, and before going to work, then this afternoon after CONA, me that went about Pearl to pick up some, and yeah, then I just pretty on back over there, so why on. So yeah, so yeah, so on that's all. So got 2 more this I've done for the oh yes, but yeah, also for that long ago and oh yes, and even oh tell you that to do got a holiday coming up and at the end of the month which is of course oh what do you call it again on National Tuesday Reconciliation Day. Oh yeah, that'll be the first holiday we'll get off oh the donation special then after the Thanksgiving then oh we remember then we get the Christmas break probably about the middle of December. So yeah, so so yeah, so and of course we can start this off and Easter of course and oh yeah, so man, and so on and yeah, man, and I still got some in my pocket from the event earlier, but yeah, this came from so this is for new cleanings in town. So man, yeah, just got a few good things at the job fair today. So or wherever it is so I'll go there. But yes, but anyway, so yeah, so on that that's also about pretty much oh finish off this episode. I'll pretty much talk to you guys around the direction of Ash Pond. That area I'll be heading on toward oh what's it we'll call it in Quantum Leap browser. Wait on. Alright guys, so just back on my phone now, yes, and yeah, I figured I'd show you guys around the yard what's in instead of show you guys around the of your palace from the so drive picking tourists just because I was only there again. So yeah, so oh well, but last time I showed you guys the area was we go pretty sure. So yeah, so we still got some greenery on the trees so the sun change color and starting to die what it is. But yeah, and we do got a few fall leaves on the grass over here too. These leaves I starting to change color though. Yeah, this was really starting to die over here. Wow, jeez, wicked. Oh yeah. But yeah, and there's the one of our guns featuring the windmill then oh yeah, it looks like the place over here starting to change color and die of course. So man, but yeah, so man, yeah, so over there we got the sign over here for kids crossing and the kids playing ball over here. Yeah, and I assume this was Pauline. Yeah, that was just over 19 years ago. I remember I was playing when they put this playing in the others. But yeah, so man, but yeah. So yeah, and but anyway, these this kind of seems to be still going strong. Yes, and over here we got you just have a little bell over here, yeah. But yeah, and we got the leaves on the trees is still going strong and or starting to die of course. Oh yeah, so man, oh yeah, and I'll pretty much show you guys yeah, this one yep, definitely starting to change color here too a little bit. Oh yeah, yep, and the plenty stuff along the front that house is starting to change color dry too. But yeah, there's the lighthouse gone over here, which seems to be still going on. Oh yeah, so man, yes, but we do got a 3-hour turned orange over here. Yeah, yep, man. And then this we used to have a trampoline over here. Yep. Yes, but we got all taken down since we haven't used it in a few years. But yeah, but of course this tree over here is change color, and yeah, and even over here it's starting to change color too. Wow, this really seems to be starting to die over here. Wow, yep. And look at these ones. I still showed goes on, and yeah, nice. Got a few leaves just color this tree, and but yeah, on the rest of these I see some yeah, but here's our police shed over here. We still gotta test them, even though we don't use it much. But yeah, but over here we sometimes have a mountain screen over here. Yeah, so man, and we got the wheel over here. We got the exercise screen over here. We got the ball over here as well. But yeah, so man, yeah, so yeah, and then we still got our pedal screen and just still plugged in. Oh yeah, so man, don't take the duration now just to show you guys though. Yes, so yeah, so man, but yes, so I'm about to go in now for the rest of the evening. But yes, but on that, I apologize for not be able to show you guys the what is it so to be published from for the pictures off of so though. Yes, but yeah, but of course yeah, but what you know when the like I said, so yes, so oh well, but it is what it is. But I still went to, but I just waited for a quick look. But well, but yes, but also just say I don't notice you look at that now that the whole Sac Holy Family School got a Smith said but yeah, and that's the report time for them to probably put up a Smith said over there since I was really in the screen back in the late 2000s and yep, and still haven't over there then putting up 2 decades later now. So man, so yeah, so but yeah, but it is what it is. But have my time on the screens at home and other local playgrounds here in Paris, and yeah, so well, yeah, but yes, but it's very so that's but at least I show you guys the how some of the fall colors around the garden in our yard. But yes, so well, yeah, but yes, so but yeah, but yes, so let's see. I'll bet the green for the rest of the evening though. Yes, but yes, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to show you guys the view pictures from the pictures off of Silver Drive. Oh yeah, oh yes. I also wanted to message that this one I highly found out that got the blood book done. So yeah, Then try to get a hold of the blood work or work earlier, but never got no answer. But hopefully he'll hear back by tomorrow. So, but yes, so way on. So yeah. So hey, yeah, definitely not look forward to getting blood work done, but it's gotta be done anyway. But for now, yeah, that's all. So pretty much talk to you, you guys at the very end of the vlog. Wait guys, so it's that time again. It is time for you to head off to be up for you. Not the night. Don't be so way on. So overall, it was another good day. Not less though, but at least we already well have we done the work week now. At least got 2 days till the work week. Yeah, and I'll have it for the tomorrow and happy Friday. So yeah, so yeah, so with you, so on the way, just so everyone else that does enjoy the rest of the work week. So yeah, and yeah. And I'll pretty much talk to you guys basically early tomorrow morning. So over and out.